Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today the recipe chicken curry my husband is going to make. I hope you all will like it. First of all, the chicken is going to be marinated. The salt has been put. Now put some lime. The chicken is taken over here, about 750 grams. Salt and lime is put in the chicken. Now it's being mixed nicely. I hope you all will like it. After marinating the chicken, now the next step is the chicken will be fried in the oil. Friends, my husband is putting the mustard oil in the karai. You can see. Once the oil turns hot, the chicken will be put in. Friends, you can see the oil is turning hot. Now the chicken pieces will be put in. Friends, today I am not making the chicken curry. My husband is making the chicken curry, and it will be very unique and nice, tasty to eat. This chicken will be fried now. Friends, to make the chicken curry, my husband is going to use, you can see the onions cut up over here and the masala here. This has got ginger, garlic, jeera and some pepper. All this is going to be ground up and made into a paste. Friends, you can see the chicken is almost fried. Now the chicken is being taken out. Friends, now in the same oil, the tej pata is being put and the red dry chilies. You can see. After this, the onions will be put in, the cut up onions. Friends, I hope you all will like this recipe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. Now the onions will turn brown. Friends, you can see the onion is turned brown. This is the masala which I showed. The ginger, garlic, jeera and pepper. This is turmeric powder. This is chili powder. Now the masala is being mixed. Now the masala also will turn brown. Friends, you can see the masala is turned brown and is being mixed well. Now goes in the tomatoes. Then goes the potatoes. Now goes in the salt. Now it is being mixed nicely. Now goes in some water, little bit water. Cover it up and let the water dry. Friends, you can see now the chicken is being put, the fried chicken. Mix it well. Now goes the chicken masala. Now goes the dhania patti. Mix it well. Now 10 minutes, cover it up and let it cook. Chalo. Friends, from the chicken curry, nice scent is coming. Nice, tasty, delicious scent. Friends, you can see the chicken curry, how delicious it is. I hope you all will like it. This is my special, husband's special chicken curry. Thanks for watching the video.